follow me phone B. My door is on a van Diona for going to Tony Boye in here. Who is on the Namiva back to him and that one of the Katamba in the Chabo in that year, but he is one of the Yala, Shanty and Tony Boye in here, a bad Namika ways of doom Namiva, a bad woman, and Prisla, aggressive. Yeah, I'm one of the Yala Serika, that one and yo abale kimi on dina ni for no go mo plan se do ma nyaare ni dem ko na ki ko quote of the day it's not the plan nyambo the needs of man is for na ka ni the thing on to ma lo ka ni on to ma ni go ra kwa ni ba ko na ka we le nya pa ka ni balance ka ni ka ta ba ta o na back to her working rich teachers, but open people have a thing. We have a person coming up Parliament, Honorable Richmond, and then copy photos who will never join. These conservatives now have lemons, Apanamita. Yo, Prisla Leke, of course, yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, yeah, as we have a motivational quote for the data. So, I welcome you to the transmission process of bringing that to you. I'm Tony McBoy, your host, and I'll be doing this right from now till the top of the hour 10. Alright, yeah, you the never motivational message go. I've one kind of motivational message for today. So we're going to a motivational message and never see a new perform that whole motivational quote but I was use my ability money and happy actual Google Apwadi, Alumni Apwadi. Discipline is a bridge between goals and achievement. Run. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. That's a quote for the day. Jim Ron. Jim Ron, but longer discipline. Let me add the going. The Fiji yeah, Basasa. We take shot at Nyapa Tarojumo, Nyapa Interponion, Tarojum Plantapo, the achiever, an achiever is a performer. Yeah, I make a one paper. The discipline is key. You could feel more like discipline. You kata ni never popo, never Tarojumo, the awalo mi achieve. You kata mi be mi awo, aboya mo. Imagine the person. I look at me on.
You were very for you. My friend, mother sort of okay. So the January very much.
I was a man about Blombe at this one. I was 2020. Look, a baby at the 2020. Applying by 2020.
21 value. 22, like 26. Like me, I get it 27, at least you got it.
You get a second half, Takakaina, third quarter, the Kowai, but are you disciplined? A be at 4 days applying back. And but I should have been coming and by you. And Bamatan was you. I'm Banano maybe at 2 4. At least double already. At least double already. The Garoin at one at 2 the Kona no G. Discipline of discipline is a sign of focus. Discipline is a clear sign of focus. A disciplined person is a focused person. And in the mind, maybe me and Jamie wanna go man. At least never a poor, no, choppy earlier, a billion wrap up when you can do that. Yeah. Me strong like me no not discipline. Me strong like me Kenya me put that with you. Me jana babasha babake now na so.
Abe ele savings ya. Ele ga save dia ko plan. Ya ko plan ya. Ake me yi na si me. Uche be wa list da. Do si me give up na ke me. Ke ba do si me ko nde ke me le list do nya le nku na ko la. Ela pa. Eche be na discipline do ki ebe awu me savings wa. Nke me ma ko ga ni ko wa. No matter what, me je be maga no nke we me hiam fifi la yo play. Because no me discipline do first go la. Ano gaza le ni to e ko me hiam oji. Ne se to be so den baby awu akwa. Eche be na do ki eji. E na maglo na set boundaries na do ki because me be makla ni gba ma support ala meje be ma no decide no ke he me hiam fifi la yo nya bu decide do pe le de ka be fi awu ha ta ke la so ya no manage vide ne etan to be après voke le do ki si e po be o fifi la fi la rent me ga ni be problem atanza ga akona do ki na pojijo enye party e yi ko agbeme mi le ke efele yi nkeke ezale do nkeke mi abe foji ma gbogbo le didi mi se keke la si le 20 years ni maga na si le 30 40 50 years tanen tetel ni la si le la ko dudu kiwe na won keke eje na said go so ni achieve go for there.
All right, so that's the conclusion of our segment with the quote of the day. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. Jim Ron. So that discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. So what my mind should discipline myself. The first is there to discipline myself. What is there to discipline self? So whether it's business, discipline. Okay. Kala majimwa. Mizo garango alabe nyale kure nkai nyafa nyao yo ka cho nyafa nto mafia nya akboda le kara ke nemi ga irangwa nya akbo nukawe le nya jojo gbana bubu ma ha so please like we're going to me ida BoyeEwenyigba.com alabe so we move to BoyeEwenyigba.com and let's look at the headlines.
Okay.
Let's look at the headlines we are over there, and after that we can proceed with the other headlines. All right. So
BoyeEwenyigba.com.
All right, that's fine.
Recurring blackout. Parliament to summon Gridco. Energy Minister. Repeated outage prompts calls for answers on Ghana's power system. Nilante apologizes to Sami Jimfi. Other stories. Bogatanga girls sexual assault. 2 watchmen arrested. University administrator temporarily suspended strike. Over 100 killed as Cameroon border mine collapse. Audit service recovers 24.95 million Ghana cedis in irregular pay.
24.95.
Yes. IES demands July 29th blackout report release. Yes.
So that's what we have.
Yeah, that's what we have.
All right. Me let me have your headlines to BoyeEwenyigba.com. Okay. And interesting times ahead. Interesting times ahead. Recurring blackouts. Parliament of Salmon Gridco, Energy Minister. Repeated outages from calls for answers on Ghana's power system. This is not a way I want to start the show. This is not a way I want to start the show. Actually, Ŋdi Wɔna, nyama jira rola moji. In fact, mabaro fia boko. Bakwa nana kama jindwam. Eto kata mfaju. Isha pikule. Pasha menya uchi jo Ghana kata.
Any region in Ghana.
Ghana kata power light went out in the whole nation. That's not the way I want to start the show. I am really wishing Ghana well and this government well. Seriously. Because affect me kata. Nemi okra micho mi bebato generator. Program okra di make poge. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah. Because a joke him a coco me mela senior. Amy on me vapor generator color. Let them in Yama of Yapo.
So that's a big problem. Miss Senyang Vuvu, Chova in Bolo, Miss Senyang Vuvu, Ewenyigba, Enyaba, Ochijoma, Bosuba, Nkanyi, Akosumbo, Magagban, or whatever. So, over Parliament, Gridco, Jiru Dopek, Lamagbana, never carried over a few Joshishinami. O Bugger, Parliament. Afi Minister of Energy, and you don't get one of a joke, Nyao. Banova, you cannot feel Joshichimaka. It's not where I want to start the show. I'm a motor of more Etofianima, Gawa, Lata, Disco. Disco, Bukaka, or a flare of what turning a TV for Dodo Mazan. What? Frija. Kayako free bada chifan. A cholo free bada chifan. Mobutamo bumba. I wish Canavo. I wish Canavo. Statement are the gocho. We be mia samagoma. Afi mia ajoyi enya boa by parliament. We have to be, you see, never do a pavel in a door. That him with a door. Great cook blonyare. Tamafianoga or Bucker. Who Tobo in no. Let's listen to Gridco. So for immediate release, Corporate Communications Ghana Grid Company. Tema. System disturbance and power restoration update. System disturbance. Leke Upper Communications Outfit net title na system disturbance. You tell me have a system disturbance, le physics, malo computer science, hello management. The Ghana Grid Company, Gridco, wishes to inform the general public that at approximately 4:30 a.m., that is true, today, Thursday, 20th August 2020, says the national power system experienced a major fault on the Akosombo water transmission line. Ŋdi Wɔna alufongli gane blafa kukiarejo le Akosombo volta fe kayo ke jo konkono matuatino mamana mi. The fault resulted in the automatic tripping of the Akosombo generating units and some thermal generating plants as part of the system's protection mechanism to safeguard the integrity and stability of the national interconnected transmission system. This consequently resulted in the loss of supply to some parts of the country, some parts of the country. Over Kauchu, alo Kaumuglo, alo Jo, Joho, Vala Kaum, Bibi Galgo, Watukia, alo Dano Paro, Lekabana, Gonyano. I can later in the day, I was a summer Ganakata. Ababi Biamachu Akachi. Over the Chinayo. Baby am to tema. In fact, Banato to tema. Baby am to halfway over the Chinami. Immediately following the incident, Gridco engineers working in close coordination with other power sector agencies took steps to isolate the affected transmission line and commenced the safe and systematic restoration of the power system. Power supply has already been restored to some affected areas on and on and on and on. So Gridco regrets this. Gridco will continue to provide this. All right. So sign email that if you ever akpama that the important thing is the system disturbance. Ya move about somebody in a system disturbance. System disturbance. Here a statement ama never the fault never the national power system experienced a major fault at the Akosombo Volta transmission line. So there's a fault in the line. There's a fault in the line. So the fault in the line, is that what you are calling, is that what has led to the system disturbance? Probably so. Because the system is made up of different units. But mobile kind system, why do you have to write like a journalist? You are communicating. You have a point with system disturbance, fault in the line. You put your body, hello.
Yeah.
Mahama Banto, a Jochi, the vacuum generator, Ghana to take it. Nana ngole Juchina. I can meet for an army queen where. Yeah, a Pobugo Nava, Yaga, no Fiaga, no ya bloma. But no meeting I play of Warokbo, Eco Chile Hotel. You have your legitimate generator before we had to go conference. You people. Yeah, at that time I am no problem. I want no problem because yeah, normal level. Yeah. Never.
That's a normal thing.
It's a normal thing. That if you are mobile copa and Maganio Momas normal, you people should perform. And you're going to say me, me grammar Jimo. All right. So this is what Gridco has said. This system disturbance. Parliament, we hear, will call for Gridco energy minister and all that to speak to the issue. Eko Chokwa Marogaje defending Gridco, talking. You think you have a problem?
Are you working with them? The young document, the domestic when young kids to
and how does this concern party?
If you and they said when people in this.
Sami Jemfino phone upon working on your chairman if you cried, he made loss of 100 million. You guys should be serious.
Is that what he's going to do?
Recurring blackouts. Parliament to summon Gridco energy minister. Repeated outages prompt calls for answers on Ghana's power system. The deputy ranking member of Parliament's Energy Committee, Collins Adomako Mensah, is pushing for the Ghana Grid Company Limited and the Minister of Energy, John Ginapo, to appear before Parliament to account for the recurring disruptions to Ghana's power supply. His call follows Thursday morning's widespread blackout, which marked the second major disturbance to the national power system in less than a month, and this renewed concerns about the reliability and resilience of the country's electricity infrastructure. Please, we don't want politics in this matter. Hello?
Oh, yeah.
We only have a major disturbance.
Let's stick to that.
Let's solve it. And Parliament wants explanation. Nike cause disturbance. I can't talk with children. It's really disturbing. This lady, and we wish Ghana were.
But when they started, one day used to give notice. Agbano in a if you no maintenance. And this one it just came. baby oversee because Kaka Zabia Doko.
No, Kaka a chongi jotoma jokbola ho. And we have to do a different story on this. Oh, we did talk, me and Kosama. You have to do an independent story on this. In fact, I like Kadam teaching me a chore the change, and you know, I have to wake up. And what you're like, you know, for 11:30, I'm ready. Sorry, I got my money if you had here. I like a Karachi chim, shishing. I mean, I will video, man. Now, will home. I will a fee. I like a freezer, a chichom. Now, I like TV on po. Now, I have a street lights at home. It's a good time for armed robbers to move. Oh, yeah. It's a good time for criminals to move. It's a good time for Amonaba what Belira Bemanamo. Because a house mele. It was a time total romera. It's a good time. Tina Joa Jigrak Bemanamo. It's a good time for Amonaba Ramu. You know, I oh, many you told me, Miss Boom, you for me so quite a brom. Me, I owe me but 24-hour economy. Let me bang, there must be security. I don't go there. In my no campaign woman, there will be security. Kadia Fisher Finoga. No more dog the bruta. Boswanga, Nata dogo from a gao. Is ya we are dogo Ganako? Sadia America. Oh God, help Ghana.
Oh God,
help Ghana. Oh God, help Ghana. And help politicians to stop fooling. Oh God, help Ghana and help politicians to stop fooling and to stop being powerful. Because without our votes, you are nothing. So that is what we have over there. In fact, I know headlines are I don't know. IES, at the camera from over IES, the Institute of Energy Security
demands July 29th blackout report release.
That August 20th. July 29th. July 29th, there was blackout. Miracle reporter, according to I very cheaper. I
think for former party.
Serious, IES demands July 29 blackout report release. The Institute of Energy Security is pressing government and the Ghana Grid Company to publish the technical findings of the national power outage recorded on July 29, warning that silence on the matter undermines public confidence amid a fresh nationwide blackout. Oh, okay. Like that, so senior research and policy analyst Derek Hatche said transparency is critical for citizens and industry to comprehend the root cause of the earlier system disturbance and to assess corrective interventions. Now, system disturbance are new term when you have a system. My journalism, they are here. You mean you could have a system disturbance. You mean have a power outage.
Yeah.
Hello, the Karagali. Do so, we could do so. Do so, Chikpolo. Do so, Chikpolo. Power outage. Talk about system disturbance. It's a nice way. In case system are disturbing. One a year for G, Kafla, and Macaro, and the Ingodo, Napoha then them. Ye, Nane for Jadin, I go as a man. A papa who in Kena, it should be a reason, a papa, allo money, or cut out, allo lexifafa, lefa. There should be a cost. So IES is saying, let's know the cost. 29th July, this thing. Ghanaians, we are not serious. And according to Mahama, Ghanaians have short memory. 29th year job. No, that's we are so shallow. So shallow and unserious-minded people. 29th July. Because black man is intractably poor, is inherently frustrated. He is used to frustration. Tanya shikara awa akpana maulupo. Nia na fotem nalo. No egbe o si awa akpana yeho akpana olo o si kare azono. Ya mi dem. Mi ara wo jara cha awo ga chi kadilo. Awo chama. Emile de buka no si joye de donali.
Mi va na secret class clean. Kaka me clean do 5 ko joasi. Tane mo ven we ge to wenya ejijo. We ga do na ku ke head na jochi no.
Black man is wired to chop frustration. Messenger man in Nigeria for the first time. Nigeria oga na Nigeria we do. Na Nigeria we here. We sabi hustle well. We sabi hustle well. Where else you know the Nigerian man no dey? Ebe ka. Now a food day, a fume yo, nya fume yo, chika fume lo de Nigeria we wanna fumo.
And they are okay with it. I was settled, please.
Nke na fi Onyagbon, mi le airport, mi le flime. Airport lo. Airport ya ke Ghana airport na ba ko pipin pe nwo ko no yin kaba ko. Oscar nwo ko ba ko ya dara fi ko ko ma to fun ko yire magba. Mi le flime. Mi le flime. Nke mi le flime kadi chi. Whole Nigeria airport kadi chi a Jen must take over immediately. Mi le airport chi gagam to fiara Anyigba mi this is really bad. Anyway, this is really bad. But Oga, you be Ghanaian. And then how you talking now? How you talking now? You talk funny. As I be talk pidgin. I feel talk like you know. I know if I be Ghanaian, I say talk now. No vessel. That's why bio Nigeria is a big job. It's a big job also. Agbenono ya de Ghanaian so you politician when David swear record aba notice ko agbo rubbish
actually
for keke party le magbeni untouchables koku fu one ko aba to menti fia o re ba ni anti cover. Please, you know what, but the kukuno you make NDC MPP message areke jimas makbo tonya. Nyama previous government, current government nyareke jimo. Nenye previous government nana do dan kwa kufu ado jojo ina reji ya kalima sisimu. Do hinana bla kako pache pesa. Kodari. Listen no. Kaka kami na election oga, we make sure when shang donye because you oga biji. Akpale ke mwala.
O aboa temporal solution
whatever. Tala akpobala Shang don kaka that day ni wa claim biometric we shang wo do ni ma say light of affairs o claim ni pon vu kaka there was no disturbance in the system. So we need to go into this matter apolitically. You understand?
Yes.
Apolitically. Headlines are gala fun ape kemi apora.
Bogatanga girls sexual assault. 2 watchmen arrested.
That is a conversation we'll be having. Me in a break coming to that conversation. Bogatanga sexual assault. Security men on the and quickly.
Yeah. University administrator temporarily suspended.
Okay, university administrators they were on strike, and that's mean. Then Nilante apologizing.
Yeah.
Interesting time. Let's go for a short break. Me hold on to you. I'm part of me on TV. I want me born.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary I can so afi the passing K. No silence ever English dictionary. Standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allow the language. Then you make a maneuver view. And be a strong background. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know how I'm a Sammy can never view much your rapport. And be a strong background. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know what, Mama. Yellow dealer was so mad than a player. At place order Amazon. Allow number can follow screen idea. Open to me to the can also. But if you see a figure la, you call no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you talk.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie nine junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let's go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't pay them, you to put it. I too much try to toy. When you want to put a killer.
Oh,
you never for fun. You never got too much to move. I'm not to go.
that another Abraham, if you got a kind of lay, I particularly to point for Boye. But the husband didn't run fear. Coco not do not forget a winnie ya, Yapon or Passy Brandy who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yahokatara Gay.
Well, I'm not to go.
Vai, but I can use to go. In the big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you vola tobo, you mon no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe okana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yola nyadeba vola efi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa puto wofuka ome wofuka ma tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba Come on.
Kadung kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo.
Yo, mi akon polo akpana mi va hudu chuchukwi ma hetrova Ewenyigba TV for Ŋdi Wɔna eniajim Tony Magbo ye mi akpolo ke ni nyawo majum alo nyawo le mi agbo fun madakpene mi afa ho tisna me chantome jikbola Honorable Richmond Edem Kofi Pototu ba epepere mianchi la wona kpaya alawe miao kata yo ke no na toji kra nya togawu ya pepere nwa egawu kata akpena milo. Okay, mi atro de holiday nano la fuma over school nya de bokatanga story mala bofuma 0242670773 and like natem acho ano kamukapin 0242670773 in a call adam nyafa enyaum. Okay.
Bogatanga girls sexual assault. 2 watchmen arrested.
Bogatanga. Okay. Ta nkele nyatu nyamango over watchman on Mavaro wo
14
okay. Malakure me check WhatsApp mado paper mado paper Google. I think they updated this. So let's look at the other one. Okay, what was the story about quickly?
Headline
yeah, le Bogatanga Senior High School over autism. Sukulia de anya dono. You understand? Amanya dono. Dorelem alawa o Kple school. Ke watchman over you know do the yagbo o kashinchi. That's a big story. And actually, a Minister for Education, Arina Idrisu, the Bono Punyama Muni, Alawa, Nikatutuanya, your Akbotani. So that was a very bad one. The headline again is what? Bogatanga.
Bogatanga girls sexual assault. 2 watchmen arrested.
Okay, so special needs students reported medical relapse preceded the alleged attack, prompting police action and immediate interdiction of 2 school watchmen. So 2 watchmen at Bogatanga Girls Senior High School have been arrested and handed over to the police following an alleged sexual assault involving a student of the school. The Ghana Education Service has confirmed, and the 2 suspects have been interdicted with immediate effect as police investigations continue into the circumstances surrounding the reported incident. The GES, in a statement issued on August 20, 2026, said it received a disturbing report of an alleged sexual assault involving the student and the 2 watchmen. While the service did not disclose the identity or age of the student, it said preliminary information indicated that he is a special needs student who is on medication. So the circumstances surrounding the incident have taken on a particular concern because the alleged assault reportedly occurred at a time when the student had suffered a relapse of a condition and required medical attention. The GS, however, did not provide further details about the nature of the student's condition. Okay, autism. Like autism la. Na mare autism. Fudemne le kama no.
No kodida ya mi. Like nyomi akwa abemele normal. Ozona normal ligate. Edopen kuturu na gu.
Okay.
Edina kolori DSC.
Okay. Okay. Ta for the row atan kapla lo kapla ke kapla manye no amele autistic if you have a yoji ya ro no shroma won sanwa bon kabo I don't like I know abane ground for from the rokishi so it's actually autism spectrum disorder and ma over e konkwema ta ne di map mo verse kwa ro no nya gbona kan to wu pon you speak ko over mi gano yon na mo be special child okay special child so that's basically what it is and san aronye social communication na nya gbona ma ro ka mo manya se mo medega no pleto so the violin ma kaka ko wa mare chinkra ro ka ko ya denkra aro ya unto ya udoga no ro autism ali level do le unto chilaga no pleto so nyon via autism le lenchi data o dane o bo tan dia zo and what they ano training ya training e pe so son level ano kaka kan hana ba as someone you square a dog a hone eko but man on over cashing to allo about do book over sexual assault I look at yeah so that's a bad one and the Minister of Education has also spoken on this actually so there's another leg to the story Minister of Education Aina Iduso so our education ministry posed Boye's sexual abuse allegations. The Ministry of Education has launched an urgent intervention into the alleged sexual assault of a 14-year-old student with autism at Bogatanga Girls Senior High School, describing the incident as a grave violation of institutional duty and child protection rights. And in a statement issued on Thursday, the ministry condemned the purported actions of two watchmen employed by the school, asserting that educational institutions must function as sanctuaries where learners are shielded, supported, and nurtured. It emphasized the culpability rests solely on the adults in positions of trust, and that the minor cannot bear responsibility for exploitation perpetrated against it. That's a very serious statement. Minister of Education, Governor, no come recover school. Tajil amachichu ke pashimoko de biaga wo je boku go maraka kashi de moncha lo do de biagbo alo mo ko no yeah takeno ba jobe amade ba do e de vigbo o ba de biablem go nena gbom mukasian alo bedasho ko na ya it's a press statement o ya kaka da wo maga ho alo nyaga ko ke ba shikan de manwa you be responsible you know na me jole boga second skumake boga men skumake over amare do sukuri bole
science lab
skumake
mechanics be ekini secondary school
yare
okay me yo de viaje for pape
over 14-year-old, Ministry of Education has launched an urgent investigation, pay attention, into the alleged sexual assault of a 14-year-old student with autism at Bogatanga Girls Senior High School. So this is a girls' senior high school.
That one is not
okay. Daka Bogan to a man, blow your gym. At least let's look at it that way, at least for the purposes of journalism. Boga fiade miss a teacher do superior ball science lab. Okay, direct noji, but me put I am over Eshijo, and my bavada kuku, social media. So we saw that one also. But Mugaleo, no $9, no Timothy or transfer, so we saw that. Area bog and to Mamaka, you guys are somewhere, girls' school at the Okuri, more than a couple. They didn't wear a woman in Toji. That open can over. That can just be a son. When we got to Jenny, otherwise, how are you? I cannot come. How like it? Oh, remember how are you? I feel better. I'm fine.
Take a possibility,
Gaka ni ko ba mi afia nya ba nang majo menye degia ka ba no mo ho ko ye nya lo ko ya don ho ware ba dia se wa ba ko mi on to ga ba yo disi to ya de men ke furam no ko bi an ko ye nya do sasa na ma gbagba ta wa di dia zo te ba me ka ho ko ya ndra ya ta ko ndoro ali ni so e ko ye ni no.
It's because I'm a local developed over 50 years old.
Developed but mature.
If
you are a for you, how mature. You two viaro ha, by a for you of a car. That's Yabo Naga Ho, Navadubo. Let's be fair. Rape a car to Tomato, rape or no more rape now. As I go on a day, be last saying more what a man can do, many. I'm not a boy, I'm all provide. Mamma work. I go and say me a circle say no rape. The rape a sub but penetrate. And it's only a woman that can be penetrated. You understand? Forceful access to a woman, forceful penetration. So, not that going by rape can be no. Rape, no more rape now. Then young have our nan and track. He just seduce or low sexual abuse, low. You know, it's several buzagola. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, no next year, you never will now that will learn your plateau. Now, a sub black, when you rape your goal. Yeah, it's not going to be rape because it's either you are seducing me. Then make sure is seduction. Then you pull near how she, ye na no warm, the young fat channel one prayer. Ye cover force more and the woman who do not get a mania, then you seduce me, and I'm not sure that is criminal. I cannot force in the language. No. So please, Niato, I'm going to show me. And the Minister of Education has directed that the Ghana Education Service conduct an immediate inquiry into the circumstances surrounding the allegations and to submit findings without delay. The GES has additionally been instructed to facilitate comprehensive medical care and psychosocial counseling on and on and on. Okay, we are going to comment that.
I am once running teacher. I can hear for the very science lab.
SCJ. Ekpo science lab never do the Viagbo. Unfokia, Nia Miole, Ajama, Eva Kaka, okay, that is quite a platform. Cascuvio Ebe. I wear senior robo, Boba Nia, teacher, no, Mania. That no, that is not it. Okay, so Eva Kaka, you probably Makaka, who asked you what Ekpemuni. You got what I'm trying to say. Ekpemuni. So, anyway, it's bad. It's bad. That's all I can say. It's bad. Okay, what do you got from my?
New one is Vamela, your old one is.
Okay, fine. You still you the whole day la. You get it. Ni. This is politics. Ni Lante apologizes to Sami Jemfi. Ni Lante apologizes to Sami Jemfi. Ekpo aponyo makin gbonyaro to egaro yo ke oba abu le alo loss 1.7 billion ike IMF bro. The IMF Bank of Ghana will lost my in gold transactions. Allow away the Sika gold, you know, that kind of thing. And Nyama ever zunya there you can never Sami Jemfiba a press conference in Yamata. Actually, you have discussed press conference man. Sami Jemfi said Nyagbaro. Ronya haba brother lenye bolo pa mo palo bolo no pa hetelitori hotelia no na fio no hotelia o pa enya brother So the whole economy in Nigeria, akpoge nyɔnvio o tomu yi ke abula mama nkeke ma da ko no vuvun afoko no dedem ano de teme dem kweto egbedade ano onchi ano belandro ke na ya fo tromako kan tu je va ho ta fuma manye marake mo ko nyo ka flag gbodo fo ko ni yenye brother BROTHEL ye kamale nya fa de kongo ta ni manya nya bekai nya machoka ko asokle brother people like I'm not sure about that. Please I get what I'm saying. Kakaro ko mya konchi ba bolo mofo yenye brother la gbo me mele. Okay, so nkenye ku here obvious ami je question where we don't take counsel from a brother. If you ever you must another to minority bo. So his minority brother a global upon your marking for Nyarogbomola is attack share vendetta, attack versus you could call more political smear campaign. Upon your marking global I will press statement the blue bemo global namo owodo ega 5 million bualo baru whatever 2 million bill namo ga gbogbo because I'm just here after as on his own molecular Bank of Ghana now $1.7 billion bua ya no bo bail re ho na new bill ga ala blue bemo tanyo etamango madam nami kaya manye bail vinyogola Sami if you don't bail nyamagbom lights in your mind I'll be bailed in your mind and on and on and on. A chore me out there because a chore ye ni chore nya do that chore me discuss me tala po chore nya de jogban katama. This was all over. Now AEG they have audited financial statements. The gold board will loss areko. That IMF go blombe Bank of Ghana will loss. Every Bank of Ghana do agbagbo le ife shika pashi ke chamole the gold board garo yoke ocho dudum presube $. Nadidi you understand what I mean? Amade no nyiri dollar no maybe in Nigeria dollar was like 14 point something getting to 15 happy na Nigeria if you remember back ko mi didi over 10 a guy mi do kodeme plus guy ko je bo gere shika fa gamo ko ba ko je bo ko mbubua otwe nanam banko le ashigbe to ke kaji ala bana ko ga na do ga na me da je be vide na va da gaji tamia me ba do ga la ai me fo emi do ga mi ma twe de do wo na re ke ma be fiasa tutu to fo ga tutu amododo mi ma ke de mo mo ga ka mi twe gama de ikenye gajoji mi twe ko na bank so to subana no shi la shigbe to ke kaji to sube dollar ma to evo ogbombe na mi we na ma e game mi bona hege kwe e gwa de jijireji interest baba ke bona hege kwe shika yo pe ga kata baba ma oko gamo kata ko do ma o mi pe sube dollar na didi ye nye kafu ha ji kata mi le na NDC ka fi ami jojo fi anya be gama basu akonta wo yido I am a gbogbo at 1.7 billion. Ye ne gaika agbaika do Bank of Ghana. The Chicago punya play foreign exchange for the data. Okay, so this is a conversation. Sami Jamfima Boblombe, there is no law so that Boblombe many ye put the opera Ocho. Many ye put the opera bocho, ye put the opera 5.4 billion cedis in your profit yo ta ni ava sami jemfi pon kaka boom and I've always told you Sami Jemfi you know what you did to bring Muhammad to power as a communication. Sami Jemfi was a darling boy and now your press conferences so cool now you could burn up to now Sami then 10,000 cedis Sami Jemfi go over 10,000 cedis so go over 100 10,000 100 billion. Allo, 10 million, 100 billion. Oh, Ghana City. Ghana Lulu. Good. We know all these things. It's normal. It's part of the game. If you make more than name the opposition, name the government, and you mean your. So, what is the point? And I know you bezam. You understand? Because upon you can bear a loss, and you are causing financial loss to the state by the dealings. And revelation about Echo Bank of Ghana bear your dash go Gamma. So as soon as I brought this issue, Bank of Ghana closed them. So we are aware of all these things, and we follow the proceedings in Parliament. Anyway, we don't take counsel from a brother as a bar. But I do both domain. Actually, upon your king, I don't anybody with a press statement. But can also be a explanation. A trophy anime. Upon your king, I good evening Ghana. Tabaga steady one who Yan Popoching, I give a mark of Robanon. Some Jamaica Parliament. Banisha Banekalish Nasha no be and no be Abaleco will Bombay like Kalalo Beava. Upon you back your commotion, allow you of my speaker. Speaker Shin Sally. Bow of one madam of Sami or being a character. Comia Wunya, that can need Bromman in your Egba Manuel Fia, me Madame in your I'm a carry a chairman, ne NBC. You can call you Ni Lante Vandapoint. You know, Tata, Yemaja Jam TV. You know who we get Monko. Ni Lante Vandapoint, Le Batacariam. Li Bante Lande Vandapoint, Bapo TV. Le City. City Road, that's channel 1. Okay, channel 1. Niatapo Lante Ponotara. Que ame upon your making, you the metro, but steady New York Atani, my Lampoconia. Near a Tevan that boy globally. Obieba Lake, Sami Jeffin phone to the Yalong Dongre Amobo and Yoha. Leave and Tevan that Robert Sami Jeffin is my boy. That is a statement that I thought was not proper. That I blow in a sense by Yelangonele Patiaman. Because Milan Vandapoint minister on your position, you can no ship by Fico, Ojibia, if you are so chairman a Pachakata. Tani Vande Pandapo, some of is my boy. Or if I am going to Pajama. And some of mushroom to communication, many focus strong, yes, and many communication was strong. I can't ye Vante Lante Vandapoint. Way is strong. And anytime I see you, I talk about communication. See, Mata Goba, Bami Vaidum, Bamia Vaidum, Nechikudo, Alabe Lima Bunyano, Ba, Amidum, okay, don't know your woman. The man will be a more. I kept Bami Vaduma there. Marco gave me a laugh for Kerkavasumbu. Ella Bird, this is a one you do. It's communication. Okay, that means take the New York and Monogdom program about communication. Ni Vanteva Globally, Nanya Ye Sami Jenfia, Mon Poganamo. Listen, no. Nanya Ye Sami Jenfia, Mon Poganata, Yaya, the people Sami Jenfita. Listen very well. And this is a big conversation we'll be having today. Nenye eye yenye Sami Jenfi yema puga ba gbolo yema kona dang to gbolo, but what do you mean? Makanya gbolo. You understand? Yema kona dang to gbolo no po. The MPP onye gbolo no pa brother is fake gbolo no na. Ejeba na wona kpom tuna kwe fuma abamakeji. Ne tuma jo na nyonwe haga kwe abamakeji business onye. Kemi baba ma ayo wana la Ghana ebe ke foma maratoni da imi baba bukaka anti na ni kana klobea ntwa no ile kona ma baba no ile kona ma fami ako ke bo prince la ba jene da jene ma ye tonye 10 sili kote Ghana esi va jewo ta tonya 100 Ghana a cause va je ni ta ite Ghana ta gama ko ta hoga zamam parce que on dit que mi trojo mi apa pour ne gama ga suko que mi gama le century que no ntoro mi people he a brother. What is brother about accountability? What is brother about loss? And the loss was mentioned by IMF. Do you get it? The IMF reporter, you understand? So this kind of making it look as if, if there's a loss, we must look into it. Chikata, you more than 220,000. So what is brother? So ni vantebe de kuku, there's Sami Jefita. Any we join NDC platforms oja. Amo je gbogbo NDC coordinators. Pleto unore dada social media bede. Ni vante ni lante vanda point. Mosu anye yo pe chama. Because ale o fomo. Nke na fi Sami Jemfi juamo. Yaba kuku den be Sami Jemfita ta Sami Jemfi mosu. Wonye chairman ni vante ni lante vanda boy mesu wonye chairman if you had be anya chairman de taje baba de kuku be de kuku. That's what is happening. Apology for apology. You get the explanation. Yes. So ni lante vanda boy apologizes for apologizing on behalf of Sami Jemfi. I follow this thing very closely. Ni Fantebe, ni Lante, NDC MP, existing an MP, in his city comments said that his city comments were poorly expressed and insists he never intended to undermine Sami Jemfi or Goldboard. Edwin Ni Lante Van der Poel has issued an unreserved apology to Sami Jemfi and the National Democratic Congress. Why are you apologizing to the National Democratic Congress? You spoke on behalf of Sami Jemfi. So you must apologize to Sami Jemfi. But he's apologizing to the National Democratic Congress because people in the National Democratic Congress said he is therefore not qualified to be a chairman. That's what's happening. So Neil Lante Van der Poel has issued an unreserved apology to Sami Jemfi and the National Democratic Congress after comments he made during a televised discussion sparked criticism within the party. Mr. Van der Poel, in a statement dated August 20, 2026, acknowledged that his remarks during the appearance on City TV, that should be Channel 1, earlier in the day had created an impression that he was undermining the acting chief executive officer and Ghana Gold Board, and lending people were attacking. So basically, that's it. That is that. So that's big conversation. And I keep saying that Professor Prempe Bonyare, the opposition can be an act of patriotism. Now, Maro criticize my law, Mare won't be blom. You see, a mortal amanyana be more joy. Edges on now, a lot of people make beer, they all want to wear a more than as a zombie. Nenye journalist cry, but ma criticize NDC Tonya. And you're going to say, never criticize NDC. Professor Prempe, that's the former director of the Ghana Law School. It can be an act of patriotism. I bet you pull and never saw already. Muma and no neduko. After you make a Ghana your video Ghana your phone. Tano never evacuate Ghanaians or do I can produce that video. Like a bar Ghana your launch of my phone. You make a whole doctor, a lawyer who is your senior at the bar. Because you're in a position of power, I disagree with this kind of comment. And incendiary commentary can send the NDC to opposition. I've always said that. Let me give you an example. Napo. Nyamata Global, one major problem, of the MPP. in the last election was Napo.
Yes.
Napo was a big minus. Enya kura Baumia we Baumia lakpato, Baumia economic as an economist. Ye macho madeke abaleke Professor Nana Jane nchi ko na mafato akporo. Ifine ne zon yengo jeva. Napo na hoba mgwejeto.
No mlaifo.
I'm making a doctor. Maybe medical doctor. Aglobe mu Kwame Nkrumah. Communication. NDC communication. Mu Kwame Nkrumah. Nyabo Kwame Nkrumah bra. Nana do dankwa kufa do won't fabi. Look correct. Nana.
Napo. Oh, come on.
Nana ado dankwa kufa do a won't fabi. Awu Nkrumah. Nyamo ka fofogereje. And the problem of the MPP is Napoya Gali. That will be another problem. Because Napoya Kapla, over me Gagba, Napo is an Ashanti. And you're over northern, southern, amateur, not standard, Ashanti Kore, because my vote at Tuna. If you're in Mina, I'm a choker, my choma call, my cho che mensa bonso. I'm a correct Oliza.
Nebo, me, I'll run again, you advise it. I
just about sure market, but the problem is actual because for now, many don't correct today. He will be the most marketable running mate. Do you get what? Because only from nowhere, now Minister of Energy, by education, now Boye Juni, yo brother, can you not teaching? You'll be a Napobere. No nami doom so timetable. You bet we are naysayers. But we say Polo. No, we are negative talkers. The problem is system disturbance.
Yeah, system disturbance. Yeah, the timetable. Yeah,
the timetable. Yeah. That Ghana don't know what timetable.
Actually, the woman do children and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 years ago, I got children.
I can maybe you want to make cleaning. Yeah, many have a time. Dokumala mako. Kebe ya mokele akpa elo ko mi mi.
Oh, me clean it. Let go this week. No china means the next week have and done.
Like you will be nya.
Me clean it, pa. Me clean it. Me clean it.
And over what timetable na get us a timetable. Ye tie the dojiku don the Ghanaian sogo. Please, I get what I'm trying to say. Ye tie the dojiku don the Ghanaian sogo. And because of that, the NPP was punished. Fifia, over there is a loss. Metawe Renya Dogo IMF. NPP tohle nyaras wo nyajiniang alka komijiniang move alo is opposition. It is called opposition. That is the name in our constitution. Sami Jemfi lawyer nye. It is called opposition, to oppose so that the best will come out. So that the best will come out. Marakama gacho usako dudoro kishiko unshango beawo yawo. Why the insult? So Nilante got himself in trouble because communication. Now you see a problem. You see another problem for Sami Jemfi. Every ni Lante Vanta Bewombedi. National Communication Officer Nyari Banzai.
By chance.
You understand? Yeah. You show communication. When you are communicating, you're speaking to a lot of people. Any Ghanaian Ghanaians want to know. You can represent Ghanaians more. Even in the NDC, people want to know. Now we are journalists, and you're like, oh, but me no independent. I'm trying to be independent, but I don't like. I'm a young person at the only position. You are barely 40. You understand?
Yes.
You have a long way to go. Amare gbe ma ha ma be who born dog. Who born dog.
Where the person dey?
So be humble. Pale ko kuje to no yin oh good. Pale ko kuje to lara.
Nyanya reka make ma se be ko.
Masenko.
Never vice.
Vice. Dr. Zaneto. Amomo ko palanwi ne no ma ko.
Ole do walu me bo mele do.
Ku je to kran se be yafi. E sign ni ale, e ba yara kelo.
And profit leji. Yes. Ile be ngo yi po. Aha. Upo le ku is too much. E go so apa.
Be shagbe na no TV yi.
Prese ko ye.
Be shagbe na ko gba na se wore kana ko bo ya gba ye po profit. Abo me nyawo je be mo demo accounting department le, financial control department le, afi PRO public relations outfit le. Ned owe sami jefie owo mo jijimolo. Owo mo jijimolo. So next as me ne sami jefie aboboro ke man ne advise ya wonya communication with guru wonya communication. But what sami jefie don't go there. Do a press conference. Let the financial controller speak on that. That's the accountant law.
Because many of the door packing. We are just a
public relations.
Yes.
Because obo wumi ana rangia beafi. Obo wumi ana rangia be. Obo wumi ana rangia be lokojobi. Randy Kenya journalist lo. Kake public communication ni doctor. Ego Randy mo ga mo. Randia be Kenya morning show host lo. Mo ga mo. Enye lecture na kudara na. Yolo. Yes, sir. Oh, many tonyo ko, many tonyo. Yes, sir. Because Ghanaians will chop you up. Sami je.
Ghana will always be Ghana.
See, you know, if the media makes you, the media will make you. Sami je, the media boys more yoko phone afu. They press one. This is the first politician to talk like that. The members of the press, you wait at the back after this program for your solid.
How?
I'm looking at Jojo no joy, Lamagana, Nana Lia, your way. This guy, you normal. No, you never solid. If ever they bribe on your car, a set them at Benny. A grim over. I said, what I did? It's a bribe. Let's never stadium, oh, solid Payola, and one over here. Make a run a you. I can't hog a labody. Nyajojo kakalo for tu okana hamia
azna
madana piako ba boru jo lo pa gati mi te pare e o bukaka mi obo ko amuru ko blame ko jo fi o ba yo gbana ko 1 ko si yo mbere mi delete ma ka camera delete this thing we ba khle nyajojo le amakpaji. You understand? You got gone over, they should wait. You know, all this kind of things, you need their bloggers, they made Sami Jeffrey. It is the same media and bloggers that are hounding him. Anyway, so that's that. You make your we are going out for So, Milante Van der Poel, aspiring chairman, national chairman of the NDC, says, you Sami Jeffrey, you didn't do communication. My communicating in a strong akpase se e no ya gbo me say e mo ba hode mo bo amaro yokobo nya channel radio station no radio station bo gba me steady regional ta mo bu na baba biamo radio cause na wo yo radio aro kama ngi kama free o yo votaster kama uri ko ba news review segment ko amari ko van of mako ebe ngboro kutuku gbolu mono na chitro
pola le radio dia
nyasela dokpo dari ya firona na jodogba na gaba koko Bangmasem emeno I have to collect that show from the person. I was in my house. I'll collect that show from the person. That's what I said. We are not bragging. I said I'll collect that show from them, and I collected it. You see, Mr. Nyarafia, Nkpolo, Emi Ajim de Mabiolo, Obo lost, IMF who lost, Bank of Ghana lost Mom, then gold board gold board financing the bank for money ta any of financing ka gold board yala allocation ko ni ga kata baba ma exam pepe kaka ame ga down convey have to go financing agent ta year ga contract e ga yo ko contract ma loans you go home la interest mo give am because etu gamo pe gold guy ojewo akọwo do ko jebo we o ma wero okwe fufum de okwe dodom call them foreign exchange man you understand simple me for don't tell like am simple e go that e ga kan azako na de e bo leadership interest ko ma fara se o mo ni mo ko ga se o e pe that mi o de ta ya ma lost one de bo we ta o but na ma je ga ododo no nenye do ga odo na gold board after ko gold flame de ne man of profit or more. You understand? Because Professor Bokwen Blady, me back Blafia. Going forward, the back of Grave crossing Yamaha. Going forward, the gold board never a doga. Eco bank low, Kana commercial bank low. No at all doy. No at all plesicale. No by Jra. Nemia balance in Yakora. So, me a Broma Molenia. And Magogromba Aleka Sami Enga Apenyo Makinya Tramde Sami Jevija is also not right. It's not, in my view. Because the truth is that Gold Board has not made losses. But the central bank has made losses because of its dealings with Gold Board. So if there was no Gold Board, there would have been no such losses. And the losses are huge. Anyway, I'm done talking about this. Trust me. Homeland, nane. Inka global
Eastern Togoland.
Eastern Togoland.
HSGF warns of FBI impersonator.
Okay, headline Galafuma. Hello.
Okay. Audit service recovers 24.95 million in irregular pay.
No mastery. Emila Fia, no, it is a story or not demo on me. Audit service wonga
recovers 24.95 million Ghana cedis in
24. Nanya you first no net point back because I know young boy 24.9. Every other the world, many accounting nation. Me vante where you show communication. What communication is wrong? That way, me vante how you gonna make accountant have the number of my no yon de character. I should apologize for apologize.
We are still learning each and every day.
So Bubanawe.
Audit service recovers 24.95 million Ghana cedis in irregular pay.
Irregular pay only. Irregular pay. Audit service, Jilu for the kuna ega nyame. If you are point icon meshamala, woga denanku akontame. Ubo for hona maru lefwe kevaime. And got 24.95 million. Approximately, next I mean, you pay but 24.95 miles to 25. Me talk about 25 million. About 240 billion. I don't mean my money, every times 10,000.
Yes, billion.
This is all. I have Molo. Already, all this service will cover 250 billion. Okay. Me approximated 24.95. Embrace 25. Namasa me if you want analysis say man. We will multiply by 10,000.
Exactly.
That the whole the change time 250 billion. I mean billion. Okay, we for never billion. I be gonna all this service recovers 250. So near me when me got blower. You shouldn't talk about it.
We'll talk about it.
And I bring this cocoa, now I mean no. All this service recovers 250 billion in regular pay. Irregular pay. Oh, Gakona Maro. The Ghana Audit Service retrieved nearly 25 million cedis in unearned salaries and other financial irregularities in 2025. Listen, audit service. Audit. The Ghana Audit Service has retrieved nearly 25 million cedis in unearned salaries and other financial irregularities in 2025. Everybody ma for to agaka majel for to majel but irregularity everybody asibu regama no ba nwala irregular everybody o zasusu coffee ga like bottom when me level back to your fear irregularity ngata go okay nami double blue no alomio mi de ku gbafa na nami wo de car 1 million alo 100 series daka nyata global no invoice 150 invoice my everybody me only banoli vovo ke invoice ke zango le gbagba mi ma cho yo aka invoice number serial number ke zango la ba ko to mo gba ye ni cho emi o invoice a kemi grama boy nwanto ale kaka ne we na mako romeo ke sama e mai ma momlonyi amagomlonyi bi le ka ga fong me amagomlonyi jigede na mi di ona o me ya me shama no ku program akọ le fo kemi we na ma aka na mi receipt amago no miangro 1 million irregularity ma de menye do figaga ko zususu ko big system in 2025. Should we talk about it?
Yes.
Alomia Jidoli.
Ganyaro. Pinyoro.
All right, so the service secured approximately 10 million cedis from a nationwide payroll audit covering 2,408 separated staff. The exercise identified 150.36 million cedis in unearned salaries, allowances, and related anomalies, of which a fraction was recouped. An additional 14.95 million cedis was recovered through routine audit conducted across ministries, departments, and agencies. 2025. Tajiru yaba fresh aleka mio kafu. Taku gahamna maro eronye ama this year ba menye PRO, Public Relations Officer. Yenye PA. Personal assistant. Ape ba yekona nye phone dashi. Yeza nye phone kono picture chomi. Ye chona nye bag. Avo departments, agencies kwemo nana kama lina namo. Nenye minister cho bag na vai. Ato force no kucho peke department. You understand? Ta enwo yinaji ala kanyo kobo no IGF, internally generated funds. Never in that TV, le Ghana government Ghana government bocho gava. Taka garo limiami hohoga buludodo bapa de o ekberade nyajojo ngongong he pemi ve gamo babage. Ko we me wo kafla ni nyamaga ko we wo we nyanya bashi aro we nyanya bala nyigla ta no gabo. Amagbo anana kameli ala 2025 when you are growing. Taokore, ya okore in that way. Akade, akoko here, o ma hetuna mo.
Because no make you amede asron joke in magawe. Maga joke.
Amaro Livia Oko retiring, Ujujo. The bottom goes must tell the story akata Madam Mama Amadulio Onye Chicha. If you are for blood, a hojo, Dajabanka, a gamanato, a gamato, a gagava. As a gomanadi. A duo, a gagavanga, a countermain, Amaroha, Desusareta, Umaga, Dopomo. Amaro Dasi Donchi, Zoined Betadu Coma, Amaronia Povito, Ojo Ghana Police Service, all America, Ojo, o Pichade. Kaka, every one of Bana Bede, ye Dasi Donchi Kaka, Banama, you will Japo, ayi ne Japan hade ame aboya o twa kone ameka contact ji o da mama pan kola gbara mo ma dida e ga ka baba ta le America na ga ba ko ne mo ba mo ne ko ye gbo so much irregularity. Let's talk about it. Megawa jumio cause mi semi okpo yo amamo kpona politicians arode no le gbonya fine na manya alo ogaraje matanya alo 2025 no over 2024 kami banka jidudu hoho kano ba 2025 de kama kawanya nchiro ga enya dokra local politicians wota nya nchiro go because audit service ye dokbanyi yanji. All right, so despite against the report cautioned that persistent irregularities continue to expose structural vulnerabilities in public financial management, and it called for stronger deterrence mechanisms and preventive control. Yeah, we basically that man boglonga. You open the issue jidu do fo fa ganyare ma chofo enyo blomeshai see yemajimba ma kokporo over 24 hour market enyare do cho cho de cho shoro de wanya solid show pa nyaudo guzitano ba ko mbere yesebe wo 24 hour logo no tata 24 hours za ple pin par exemple no za ple kelengi ndo fie do na ike mama we choga be ko 24 hour economy you will look at uche that down this which is chief executive sorry uche look at that down that ashioji but 24-hour market as a nyagome if you are a nyakura nyibaro le western regional uba gbete paro afia shido senyalo ni yake kunana do dan kwa kufa wo pe cathedral fanya o mark te fa ba fia zange yola eko uba te fa gban ta amoba saba 24-hour economy secretariat yikepa meganye guzitano bo dwane sibe 24-hour market yimanya akachon mele yo pa plan mo me bien nyama program yaji me bia bruno po fike mi ngole mnyapa manifesto be there will be a 24-hour market because the Batinya regional communications boss deputy la huafia mimi no shoji Niko 24-hour economy policy document Niko katame. Nana kameli abe 24-hour market. Kakavia utapocho even dakpa fikra there's a problem the fear auto over ave dakpa. Ave li. Api dakpa antoli. Amo ovulimbe asha never yiri oversight. Ekwedade yokuraba akachi mona muli. Akachi shi antoba le agbedra for pomoji. You have a 24-hour market. Ashimaka, you pick. Yaw smart. Madogbene, Westphalia, kple, Solado, TV on your chairman or Lafma, control Lafma. Equerade, see a play Ahafo. Very influential person in the NDC. That problem, Malafma, Obashi, who Ekusangala. No Boboka, or Bereji, or the moment, or carry them also 24-hour market. I will you do 4 years, people were protesting. Oh, you got because over a channel of drama. Ani bama le juamu 4 years wawahu if you have about over 10 years via akachi shifia pick up bone yashama amumu kasubara nale kama gala ba shifia no and you know the interesting thing actually have Ghana for independence actually have Yehovah when the government they want show we are talking about inefficiencies in the public sector when the government they do not show it ne yimia da o defetrishi kipo agbagoma agbakofwe okuko na fetra danare moto eko amoba no flem ta moto na den tudu va pack na vulo na fetri fumai amo fetra flemle never to fetrisha ko ile te bomu ka fe odogo to blema kaka ba afuma asisho moto afuma bago alo fetra ka chi afi waro te fako egbon sha na mo as is natural is demand driven it's not government that makes market. Never a senya go me de yachi mota. Achi mota station la moto tututu. E no jana ngula momato government be malongo. over who Achimota station. Elle est empty, vas I think the Cobonabe, the Madina, last stop Achimota station. Kono agere mako de fuma keke baya. Kodi miko. Oga gere mela na ko Madina. It's a move ago me because fuma ba ba le police aba lo tayo ko branch na ko kakamura mako. Ko ba fika ima wo men na tiare ko. Ninya you get the traffic amako. Traffic apike demand ale. Ko ba Madina. Kasia wo to fo kaka ba trola bofu ko te ba wayo. Amo gbebe me igere afuma. Moto kono na no waro. What are you talking about? If your government you 24-hour market doma, you got 24-hour logo ko dareji. Ta na nyiba to ino fia nya nyiba popo be ko si 24-hour secretariat. You ba dogo pe editors so no ka na nya to be. You kata mo se go 24-hour market magwa mola. This you pe local government ministry wo. You pe 24-hour economy am po je go ma do. Hey, NDC. Nyao se mai nke pocho nyam
strategy amede be ibona 24-hour economy wa ya we ba le 24-hour market wa if you make it no ji pe ki be yo melemu
by one government.
Yes, it's one government.
Okay, ni pe alake ni ta mako nya de me audit service work number public financial management is inefficient or ineffective. McDonald is a principle in accounting. It's a principle in accounting. But now I'm a private people. I feel the question more for more. I turn up for. I go back and back to your fear. Near the question more. Me for more. I turn up for. I go there. Near blue. I mean, back. Takini government more nya. I go back. Kapla mo me. A time. And amagama afman seven should go hala marete ele region le national male minister anyway me won play home lang you know why I'm making this argument magbogombe ne government ya shidoga ashimama no effective okay hoshiade fiola yole ekpo ba do over to jibo horo la hochima eva plunge wo mata mo enya ese question agoma jipo ko ma wo le de ho shima e crime be po o joba no me pele anyi ba ko me one touch e bia deji ke de kuku na kwa deji na ta enya ba mo ko fa gba o dare to pa kaka ma ro ko ba so warehouse no o ga bana down ka wa ko to je va aka gere ti ko be unauthorized. Because there's no demand. The people are not demanding it. Government should understand this thing and stop forcing utopia on people. Please. Station, medo station ya to lungu deko. Fetri to ikini. Fi fe va tuji fo la ko fetri to ko dare jime. Ya be malian mala vo fetri to bugali. Ma ple la imba to go. Edrimene ni ma poliaji. So you know what? We wish well for government. Yes. We want government to do well. Because if government doesn't do well, we suffer. Mikata mijiba Mahamadi na wontepe. Mikata mijiba nana jokoko onuvuvu. Enye miapa badudura bakoko re angona nyo. Kana miapa tin. Dakade du balominya nemi wakpon ho na kamijinpe. Ogbagban. Yeah, I'm very good. For me, I will let you. Yes, yes. We want you see, the 24-hour market. Not doma. You go here, journalist or communication. Talk better. Ah, then you must put up. Be more fearful. Come again, yafi. Alam na di dem exam. Ah, because I want two shifts today. I go pressure you. So I want pressure. Come again, I tell my exam at 8 o'clock. My guy, my who gawi the keko. Come again, ma. Call center. So we want government to do well. Oh, yeah. 0242670773 in your number. Then we have a Jerome. Name it Bronya the year most of 2 in a trip. Yatado miro fa nyomi jugo 0242 you probably are trained journalist you know in communication na pumu ya marake mo pose ka do yin ke mo pumu do ga be a church ye pastor nya glon ga to nya be e je o so fu no pumu a o me dia na question ta e ko be no jan ko ko amu no do
ozo mu ge ga ko biblia ba
you see
no bro amen when I say police for come everything
so the na pumu ya mare top feedback de etiaba amasonya eno re jalo malo ya kwe mako tania na gblo e ma baga lo manya ma bago kapla ne mo nyo maga e ma gblo nyare no energy nkwe nyamanya na sanya ko munyo ye kama aswa o betashe mo aje na ba ho mal mabo o twajijo system disturbance
shut down
gakene biamba oh boss mo ko afia bebe dime we na ba hwele ma bebe dime ma di ya nenya mari kenye to magalo boss alo politician yin like na feedback ke amama fongo we biaga ma dime ni afia mo ma sa go ma nyolo
ma ba gbele de mi aga vas zure
apia ga tro ava bobo yin ga no belo nenya me kene nyala ga to ga ga fia ka ma ji ko bobo ga kene yo o
mi ti be no ne ingo
nenya o to krata oh, system disturbance. And this is what is happening in certain respects. System disturbance. Nio sami mila manya sesam. Manya sesam. Ukefona mu nyanga nyanga. Nio mbe yo ora ro. Minya Ghana ko. E nio mbe mi ora ro mi NDC takumbe. Amobe ya pomo saya ya
kaba
no dona jare ba ga mata ka kare na jivat invoice be ke ne vat invoice ka ba kana mai da wala gatore da mi konku dare won tumije mi oto mi onchi mum nya tin so it's just true in public administration, but when government is involved, it's not effective. At that place, to stage on that. I like Bama. Ma Vava area when Fia can let you one or both from Chamadi. A bay to get a risk there. Adamiano can 2001 man. To get a bound, Yaba, stadium, I will have money. You on a Hoffman. You have the Dekla Gavina Hoju. I'm a Premiership Division, Football League, Delafia, Premiership Home. As I want and nobody who told me to obey you, Vafia, Gunupla, you, Plet over Nanoma. Net the I'm not a free Pomoyo. Senyalo, a footballer free. But when you jaka de mwera momulo nyama gogo mi ka develop football ya kere mi nyara mfiame mele enya go zame develop la fie ko for ball ni asu kun dana bench black leto ye be mi abara nya lo
ame le ball e ka fo ko onya le susu me bo ho ya ball me ni ko
me ko ya ka eli be nya hwen Messi make bagara mo you understand you futu ko mama. They invest a lot in leisure. They invest a lot in entertainment because they think that is part of life. As I go, more the way you manage them. Any week, a poor man doesn't have time for leisure. No, a young blow, a generous rebellion. Next one that the Okona Vietnam, you had the Domamu, a legicho, everyone had the Mology, as you had to make Plimajo. You don't have time for leisure.
Alarm now, a cacao for Ghana,
you understand? So there are people who and look at entertainment industry for instance. More like a movie industry, big like America, Hollywood, flavor Bollywood in India, to do flavor Nollywood, Nigeria, to do whatever. Piolo, I can still the original is still original. Speaking of movie, pocket Netflix, I got her. War, baby, ball foam, la when ne a bomber ganya 5 city.
A journal fear crowd. especially no le league for division 2 play 1 league we 5 cities greater umayo na gere poke mimi yo me no pra mi na mi gbona bo ya fe ti me le bole kuta mi gena de me ma kwa me bubu de tele akene home star le ball for the o hype na match tamu fanas
home star ya bele bo dia
apelo to beti
mauna we na nyone mikaka ega gwana home nyamana brother mi get a steady kankaka home voter
Western Togoland SHGF warns of FBI impersonator.
Over the Homeland Steady Group Foundation. Enkwema. Homeland Steady Group Foundation. Kapla lo minya blogo fun ala ba nya na ma maro le fiaro. Over Homeland. Oh, okay. Homeland Steady Group Foundation. This is the last story we'll be taking. Elikem from a bola bonye. Yenye politician clip of Chenya Jonyom. Over Mare Chacham by to FBI. FBI Federal Bureau of Investigation. Amo blame to WhatsApp number there. So mo blaming. Benka no kanaya. So I'll just do that one. I'll go for a short break. Western Togoland, HSGF warns of FBI impersonator. The Homeland Steady Group Foundation has warned supporters about a person allegedly posing as an FBI agent and threatening people over the Western Togoland case. All right, so the Homeland Steady Group has raised an alarm over what it describes as a potentially fraudulent impersonation involving a person using a United States telephone number to circulate messages and threats linked to the Western Togoland question. In a statement dated August 19, 2026, the group said the individual using number +1 315-878-1434 +1 315-878-1434 has been contacting people associated with the peaceful campaign for Western Togoland and allegedly claiming to be connected to the Federal Bureau of Investigation. And according to the Western Togoland HSGF, the Homeland Steady Group Foundation, the person has also threatened to disclose the locations of individuals to authorities for the purpose of having them arrested or in prison. All right, over Amarecho, Jatiara Gadogo. You vote for no bazam, no ba. If you have a meal on your plus 250, allo 0205, you have to +1. You jegom. You won't protect for a mobile ya to America to come. Oh, wherever you have ya nya jam. Bobito no mmaku. Federal Bureau of Investigation, you would call America to Kokata for CID, FBI. One of the Central Intelligence Agency, one Povito Yoka, America to call Mamno, one other Catholic, better. Ramo blend them, never vote here. Bay Nagolo. Ba, what a politician and your malamo. Your man, Bob Blomber, as I would say, that any government will not form a record number +1. Images your blockade things. No for in America, or America, and expecting whatever message you don't have time for fraud. All right, stories over. All right, we'll go for a short break, and I'll be back. Never call on maybe another.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a fi di passé K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view canola basic level and you know Americanola SHS and you know Americanola university allo the language nanya make manya be view e be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make nanya be view mo jura po and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama yala dile ko so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria open to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, keke to Boye. Tanya too much toy. Boye worms, kple.
Oh.
Never for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not go. Oh,
that another Abraham Fibaraka in LA. I party to Pony for Boye. But the husband didn't run fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
Well, when not Chico,
Vai, but I cannot sugo. It a big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiero, wait off here.
Where you vola tobo. You mon no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanyeza vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to onaula masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
Vola
Nina nemiayi Vola eba senta Afima mia pota yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akulori le fuda now Alele le fuda now Tomaru le fuda now Echite padaka Ufuto makata Mele tomo nidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile vola heba senta Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Parka Afima na kodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukame tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyɔnuwo no na mavi kple ɖeviwo mo.
Nane mano monsieur, eye na mezwale. De konakwanya moda. Menye de me fion yo, ayaye pomlo, ayaye pomlo. De konakwanya moda, menye de me chio, ayaye womlo, ayakwe womlo. Ameda evi Mejena holo ode Ameda evi Mejena holo ode
Well, it cannot create conversation whenever you
Menye de me fion yo, ayaye bomlo.
the calm of me by hold on to 50 ma crow va Tony man boy in your one wakonan. A dance woman can have a now what you do. Licken to boy in your papa. Honor, senior, leggy. Egba ogbele tí wọ́n pa ẹ̀ macho tó boy ti.
Ayé o bá ṣe nílẹ̀ jù lẹ́kẹ́ mi àgọ́.
Mauta.
Àpẹẹrẹ máa ìyá jẹ máa fà fà ní fọ́sẹ̀sẹ̀ àpẹẹrẹ.
Ohun tó yàn án sẹ́n ní àjọjọ́ lè sàn. Priscilla pẹ̀lú tó gbàgbà káàbàrò mọ́.
Hey, African Today. Imani Africa challenges GSA's ban on vehicles over 15-year-old. Warns of legal and consumer impact from GS 4510-2022. Securing the future. Why the NDC needs David Dakuji as the next is
that's the story, Mom. Headline on.
Then okay. Mohammed's Jamaica visit opens a new Atlantic maritime door. The rest is just
all right, so Bajiba honorable Elikam na damu nyana kama. Bajiba no chiama akade dana ya isimi hapa nto magbalo nye. Ta imani Africa fanya mai Kenya headline bana headline imagine na function. Oba imani Africa frankly kujema aba Ghana Standards Authority jiu for do ke kona ba musha mwike sama imile dukoma ala dodong alo enyo na sasa bogbomba fuyo kata o so so gbeta dukoma ko ko yi aton blajibo yo roshoji akwelade fifia imani Africa fa magamba nga vehicles ones of legal and consumer impacts from GS 4510 2022 ones of legal and consumer impacts. Honorable, you can just leave it. You can legal impact.
So exactly, answer the same maybe unless me a story
briefly.
Okay,
I think we can do that. Check page and
no ban ya for me. Ejebe mi akpọ kemile. Ghana de kai ga baba play brand new. Allo Boye. Na le gbogbo be no ban 50 years we talk 15 years.
If you go be no bua kokori aton de bua chiapa ta mu ga kwe Ghana. Ya over age.
Ya gbolo be the Ghana looking at me as status. Economy and feeling lady. Evode eka o mi afle.
The electrical
and probably what watch it. That's about Silum. A Bobe Chichimuya Siele.
Okay.
A door over. Maybe every Bobe Chichi, no classified. Okay. Maybe I can go almost for.
Which is a man, yeah,
oh, 9. How many years is it? Yeah, my to afford. And then, as you then nobody who follow me, you not answer the
Emmanuel Lebedi, can consumer, the effect on the consumer. Okay, let me just, I've gotten the story. The Money Center for Policy and Education has questioned the Ghana Standards Authority's ban on vehicles older than 15 years, arguing that roadworthiness and mechanical conditions should matter more than age alone, while supporting tougher controls and on unsafe, flood damage, and structurally compromised vehicles. Imani says the blanket restriction under GS 4510.2022 raises legal, economic, and consumer concerns. Okay, so many GS Madi number. Okay, ever vehicle register. Okay, Imani Africa, Togo Glombe, ni ke Ghana Standards Authority can do what the offer for na more for the genono. Api was in the Ghana Jibo Glombe, a guaro o chitome, a todogo, electrical for the boom, to future over here, your magic no longer from one about in the car. A guaro structurally damaged, a accident, a get engine bolo, a get engine ball, a mukaka. Data bose tabo so fix ne kaka
no tade Imani penya agbola ejebe Ghana Standard Authority ne clarify because like who rank opete dem be ne vonya for 50 years kola no make akwe Ghana ola na maybe do o
e tabo na ekwe dem na echidevu a atafia any time ekwe dem structurally damage wa kwasi na ekwe engine body kaka eblen scrap dakede it is. My central question is, if a 16-year-old vehicle is roadworthy, properly maintained, and emissions compliant, why should it be rejected while a younger but poorly managed vehicle is, may still qualify? If you have an engine,
so so this question
the government will maintain our Ghana police
consultation that the Ghana Standards Authority will arrive at this decision. Then you are banned. 1st October 2026 importation of used cars. This
October,
Could you ban?
No way.
Consultation can
be honorable.
Consultation can
he can't mean he can't come in and come after 10 years. You understand that 10 years, after Lugana for another 10 years. Now we put a chilo, a bar, no, a classification, mamma. Daka ukwereke kwa le macho la moja.
So ya ta kama nyake bro for 10 years. Ele bro for 10 years. Ni wa go yako cha u 50 years. Gake e da le solid
ma bi yo tumo.
Ma da yo tumo. Bele solid. Yes, mele belene. So if you ke neke about blanket we have 1st October you have what are the modalities. That's a consultation energy. Because no consult you there maybe man paying food you put one factor. According to them yes, you are banned this type of cars. Kaka menye be the say they come and you are banned. Maybe avoid only man just that the no mejere alo amomeflu. Elle factory for so many years. You have we about maybe the auction sales door because you also journalists here you don't lose over last factory move now. Oh na price the auction sales door reduce price and do play. Maybe over 8 cars where kaka for me, I never no consider money fair input no revise over notes because that 1st October deadline here. No never Ghana me have status gradually no check market was Savia. At first even have one band what was Savia. At probably Ghana.
Amenene vuoza.
Amenene vuoza. Amenene tole 5 years, 10 years cash exam. Oh la call afford delay. Yeah, there was no compare. I never 10, 15, 20 years cash was for the system. So never the band
that's your electoral. How much you mean? I know like S. Taxi never had a clue in Carolina. Never a local. Never Kaka Lumacadin. I can make your Kaka in the road. Then I look at car. I look at that type of photo you go on.
It is finished.
Poverty, Domino, Mahama can do. It's a solution to our poverty. Mahama can do, Mama Bando, and now from Malaga.
But I think it's not bad. At least another back to check.
A hotel board.
Nobody will research who Tamale.
Even those days, my burger, the motorbike, organ. No, Emma, well, best boss.
My bad, who pay a woman, no full boga. One of a bogashima. So no bravo a local Guaroka only at your Jimmy. Well, let me calculate now where here. 09. Kufova, you introduce numbering system equal ono number. Let JJ Molia Abe ABCD Ozana. And you're going to say me that Z allo Z in your last number. I don't want to A in your first year. Takaka no number about Z qua. It has a last number in the alphabet. That 09 before Jacob. I don't put 09 of when you go back of mother and you have a 09. And you have a 09 of Mama Killer 09. Everybody, Tamia no younger 09. Let me the African people already have over 09. Not no 09 had Ogabona. That imagine 09, 10. Nachli 09, 10. This is 2026. That 09, 10. That's 2. 2026. That is 28 years already. Equerary. That never Zia Alozeta. Get about 29 years. Then you wire. Get about 30 years. Never going to say me. Because A one. That you know that we look at S of Mochiapi. Before the go down. That's another X, Y, Z, Vectra, Astra, Bogota. First 09 alone is 29. So, anyway, I think I understand this. Because your woman was that 09, never mind Galia, it should still be fresh. Alright. At your maintenance.
Oh, yeah, sure. I mean, okay, comment.
Kema Diallo, Ninjinado, when a design a put into a demedy. In a ball joint, shock so cut out door, you have impact body, I recommend crash. What about that?
So that's
money, you are bringing
no much consultation. I have to go back on the band.
Oh, me up to Kantaka, who electric car over who took to China. All of a tico. Mepura kind to me be what I over 180,000 over battery quit na charge la home in Mepura Kalika. Come over Chijo. The Boye Gile played in China who over me as a tire all the view you have come for tire.
Na lo ba ti kwa ana we signal.
And make no light of it. I can spare but let's educate people. I can spare on anyelo. Hello, honorable best.
Oh, yeah, sure, definitely.
Happy charging point to Hali. Then a plug, I never look more. Charging point I come and look.
No, maybe after I said today, definitely, we put now the number of miles per hours to back your last. Daniel is a Jemoji qua, and the time and yellow you go and have a therefore point to the qua. Fact, definitely, people call you for now.
Even technology, Alifian, attach a law formula.
Oh, yes, oh, yes.
Ba, Nkabaumyakonya, ever your charging point, like Kumasi, Moji, Plato, Sami Javiato, to Kore, Equasidori. Yes, Fifia technology have advanced beyond that. Attach a law form. Yeah. Mekanici, Allo, local, at your family, like a woman, 10:30.
No, it's all right.
No, like no, I wish I had his own.
I like my head. Then you are mistake.
Ministry mail.
No, you know, headquarters is about me. Like, let me go back.
Thank you.
At the point,
let me see line.
Every time I go low shedding everything. No experience. I'm never no experience here. That came here for about 2 weeks. Oh no. Over maintenance work while I say, yeah, throughout every evening, 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. We went through that, but all resolved it and now minor experience. I think you have what we are doing.
Yeah, you are doing dumb and miserable.
The informer.
Yeah.
MPP falls on own dagger as Wontumi eyes national chairmanship from prison.
Okay, that Wontumi panya go over. Akumahe she MPP to want to me Bunabe ya ten our bail application. If you have you to na kwenda from to kwa gamba lo nkura mwala me want to me to ku garam seo afio leader mota no bu no konyara remata no want to me ya America atasiwo do mahia wata bele ka gbogbo ara ko gadara afio da sincho ba no to daka jogbo to well, you over over caught no ni le vacation now, but I will only want to be for application vacation time. They want to be for bill application valid vacation time over $1 jet. Tao to October 15. Hey, for the cricket shine. Topic I got my maro. MPP force for no, y'all talk about okay.
OSP saved Ghana 5.73 billion in corruption investigations, secured 7 convictions. GACC report reveals.
Ghana, Ghana. All right, me have a magbo. Newspaper me paper Ghana space go if you got GACC approve for Africa. Nya kura mashanto ya kepo ya. We got GACC. All right, so over would to OSP, Office of Special Prosecutor. Dom, maybe Mola, that Ghana got 5.73 billion in your 57 trillion cedis.
According to
Savige. 57 trillion.
Construction ambassadors. Construction ambassadors boss.
Okay, so let's look at the let's look at the headlines. Maybe big banner headline. Choreka, either na lead story alo, either top alo na banner headline.
Yo, I bet ma ponu to MPP ton. Na bele ke mi afite ni na na. Enye me no surprise be lu ke se wan be yo le vacation lo.
It is an emergency. Vacation, exception to the law. But if it is an emergency or if it's a bail, it must be done in the vacation. You understand? So pushing it outside the vacation is really bad. No, Honorable, my Hukuma Gomagonia, the among short to my Gombagombe. Fifi, I mean, Refia, Bongodo, Palamokakam, to August, for Jimania, by the Shakiame, Olamokakam. Gakedi, and Yayokan Yapatapatao, the kind of bill. I have a suburb, no lame police station, back and Kerejiko, Edgewater Bailey. No Macoca court, can you walk with court in 24 hours? No bill ga wa beleta emao yo na ba emergency ta won to me for case a fall within the exception if you ba ejebe one no nyira won to me for nyaji nyatefo ha won yi there for nyatefo ha for doto la kata uba no kaka bon dola be ye jedo ta no ko ire ngogbe kaka ka be won to me a ga sa no go bu Abo said in Adobo.
I had said nothing to me. Hello? Those days, I could miss a go for Daniel accused persons who were looking out, no problem, you fell on the who
watches the watchman? Medical report. Who watches the watchman? Hold on. Who watches the watchman? Honorable, it is an emergency. So it's emergency. I'm yet never. Emergency. Okay, so let's come to the headline. Tayeta is a journalist day. Nyama journalism. Ni keta owe ne ma. Editor Trebe. Don't tell because all we will court vago. So why should they come to court? Okay, because of whom to me? Emma journalist editor we be paper no catch it versus small play. So that's a good one, but it's a lack of understanding of the law. MPP force on old data as want to me eyes national chairmanship from prison. There is no connection between the law and politics. Here the criminal issue, criminal courts, criminal law, so mafia. It has no connection with his bid for chairmanship. Like connected, but so bad banana play. If you ever want to be as national chairman, or election award, allo because national election Oh, original. Oh, no, constituency. No, original.
Yes, original.
National. Yes. That banana go. Likely, be election. To me, prison. Okay, I magua ta wonane. You go one them Nkrumah. Nkrumah no prison. No, do special president. You understand? No. Let MPP Tomala. So let me do a balance. So that MPP don't or that's a sure. But the Mawata way, never we matabu. Mawata no prison there. Out of sympathy, out of fervency, Ghanaians will not vote in your
Oh, good. And it's a good
because this is history.
Chairman of prison, it's good. It's good. No winner, and no winner, and no
politician.
No
job prophecy. I'm never if ever don't want to be for football because the prison attached the chairman. It's history. And now example, you should be a good history student. You come a prison or no, only that a prison. That no campaign woman, no go for GP paper. Near you know na. I can call a general secretary of the party. I could that a newspaper. My paper don't you come up a photocopy. If a nyayo or the prison, copy or done a daily graphic. I'm not going to claim, I'm not from the Ghanaian, so I will vote in it because he's president from prison. He has the power of pardon. You understand? Nana, President Korea, Mahama has the power of pardon. Like Mahama, that Dashi want to mention. He has the power of pardon. Do you understand? At the end of the day, Mahama that will know that she want to mention. That if you're not a president, the prisoner, I mean, I think you have your vast way, no matter. I'm telling you, that is how Nkrumah became president. But I'm not Mahama want to be small court. Now Mahama Dino the prison. I don't want him Mahama Dino.
And your scenarios are tough for you. Nkrumah, yes, that's good to me. And now it's a good one. At least I can. Yes, even prison. I'm limited. It's good. And they will find the campaign from prison. They were Mahama who was me talking to all the prison. So it's a good one. Cannot try. I think I believe it's good. I'm saying yes. Man, never situations where I limit to look at me. I don't think at all. That in life, they said that you take risks. No, less successful. There you are good to go. That I actually hope in your bail. You are secure bail. Then you secure bail. In the Ababa campaign.
That day I met George Ogola. It will not happen. You say, I'm saying the creator has been adjourned to 15th October. Over party look every day. You are pick form. I won't decide because party, even though the party, if I say anybody, they have made a prison public to allow to they qualify. I contest. That now the party obey you believe that is political persecution. That many no devil. That probably part on allow Bella or pick form. That I hope pick form if I want the side there. Yes. A program give my follow story as a program watching down for Dr. Program. Your former cognitive because the NPP believes that he is being persecuted. So what you are saying we are need to level man. Let me more. Every vote in the name. You see, I'm doing a show. You understand? Journalism, many information, many education, entertainment element. We can be, we can be hypothetical. We can be. Let's go again. Nyata no hypothetical. Nyata ko amupo suswa ko irengove. No that job ocho form ne. You do jide. How would it be? That is a good question. And I've not seen any media house ask this question yet. I've not seen any big pundit answer this question. How will it be?
No, maybe I was done from prison.
From prison.
Yes. No, okay, message can have and can no deliver next door. Because I organize usually aside the LFU, they have a team, every business is to all running. Next party here and that. So even in prison, I doubt it.
Because you being a chairman of MPP, you are not the president, so you will still be there. But let's look at it from this angle. It's a political show. Knows the chairman of the prisoner. What is the possible recoloration that this entire want-to-me saga will bring to the whole world? If you have a Ola Mademo, Yako voting was the chairman. You have a kata sibe if you are the leader of the MPP is in prison. A mega create opportunity. Spin nano about that the world media. Do you get it? Well, he's the leader of the party. No, hypothetically, he is the leader of the party.
So at the end of the day, that particular party, who does wrongdoing. Because who to me first done, that's it.
Prisoners party.
The public, although the world we are okay, particular, I said did allow the party. Let that say ya applaud way. Ya wa called the wow, what you sana now.
Obe meru blow. I wanna neke
The custodian. Gold board can't claim benefits and disown losses. Osahin insists as minority demands probe into the 22 billion gold trading losses. Adamus owes over 205 million Ghana cedis sanctuary arrest, repatriates 224 million, committee report.
That's what I mean. You must perform screen.
Obe good board matem aglobe yo po jijileji fe o le gbegbe iwe po nikireko.
Okay. Osahin me ya afanyo maki na mare, afanyo maki enya agboro. Okay. Nyama mi blevu kakari. Okay, all right. Next topic.
Adamus owes.
Paper no screen agina mi. Okay, all right.
No, the custodian.
No, custodian. Rono ya jijila jiji dagona mi.
Adamus owes over 205 million Ghana cedis sanctuary arrest, repatriates 224 million, committee report. Yes, okay. Asante Makoka stops MPP aspirant from incoming MP mantra.
Next paper. Paper kata zo MPP, me blue MPP is amiga ide babu me blend this scenario.
Supreme newspaper.
Yeah.
Smear campaign against Opong Pipra backfires as soldiers rally behind General. GRA at 77 Duamfo calls for stronger ethnical journalism as digital media transforms industry.
Supreme newspaper. Yeah.
Allow incumbent parliamentarians to work in peace. Or then I go to parliamentary aspirants.
What came out? Allow what?
Incumbent.
Me paper na kakaviye. My Supreme newspaper. Smear campaigns upon Pepper backfires as soldiers rally behind General Onyakawero. Allow incumbent parliamentarians to work in peace. Make it blonya. Odeneho. Oba mirashi. Nkenya byline na lete.
Odeneho to parliamentary aspirants.
Allow incumbent parliamentarians to work in peace. Upon market remember mirashi America le South Africa ha mamfia. But all what Domigano Mojaka, Mojakle dome now. Gano food now. Banga Mamanyo, Badomo. If I say, Maganamo, more like Bidasamonchi, we over doing no Gamamnami, so go please. So, Mirashe, Miapen Pionchi Megabo, you know, you are looking for Motonova for it for me. Many more than Demo.
Margaret, your first two people in the Konuchu. That made them a pick when you did. I think that this go board issue. Let me ban and let me touch no summit. And it's just very simple. That go board the Buglobedi. And Yamahola Buglobe lost the many loss you. And Yamahola Buglodi operational cost where Naben Chomino Bulletin. Operational cost on the Yobe transactions alone activities where
operational hold on, Benjamin. That you some honorable hold and you some them for long. That 1.7 billion Agbomila. dollar or CD. Dollar, yeah.
Cities.
Oh, CD, yeah. $1.7 billion.
Okay, dollars.
It's dollars. And you translate that to 22 billion cedis. I am very sure of that because my IMF reporter that 22 billion in operational cost for gold border. For gold border.
Yes.
Okay. Your profit of gold border honeni.
5.4 billion
that
US 5.4 billion US dollars.
US dollars. It's not true. It's cedis. When the code statement Anamia, CDA, honorable. I am telling you, you are telling an untruth. It is cedis. The laws of Bank of Ghana. Listen, hold on. Hey, I don't even care about Sami Jemfi's report. I know Bank of Ghana says it's illegal to present financial statements in dollars. Except Ghana to come and the work with the share dollar. We are not Americans. So Sami Jemfi cannot present a report in dollars. It cannot be true. Now produce the report.
Yeah, exactly.
Is this $1 dollar?
Auditor General report.
Go ahead. You
the Auditor General report is there.
So let's go.
Now, like Auditor General report.
Dollar,
so you have it. So now it's in cedis. So me cedis. Total revenue. Total revenue to capture is 5.55 billion. Yeah, the total revenue. Yeah, operation.
So hold on, total revenue, how much?
Total revenue 5.55 billion.
Over 5.5 billion total revenue. Your operational cost near 22 billion.
No. You see, we are dealing with Auditor General report.
I don't care.
IMF, their report 1.7 billion. Auditor General report 1.7 billion.
We don't trust the auditors.
Out. So now we don't trust our auditors.
I, Anthony McBoy, I'm telling you, we don't trust our auditors.
No, you are journalists. And you have an auditor. They are record auditors. And you are saying that you don't trust our auditors. I'm surprised. And you are saying, so, if you journalists never produce story, then that may be okay. The journalists will.
I don't care. You don't read it. Go ahead, read the one you like.
We have an Auditor General's report today. The total revenue is 5.55 billion, and the operational surplus. So total expenditure is 109.4 million. Million Ghana cedis. That is according to Auditor General report. The total revenue 5.55 billion Ghana cedis. Total expenditure 109.4 million Ghana cedis. That is the Auditor General's report. So if Amede Hewado, total expenditure 109.4 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, over total revenue of 5.55 billion Ghana cedis. Will you say that you are loss? Then you have business, you have a profit guy, or the man more loss. No. Even you were here in Chopahe and your business and people fly ticket. I was comparing the exchange rate. Put already. But these are my operational costs.
Man up your
So now let's go further to the actual.
Let's go further. Auditor statement at the honorable Kobe, CD mole. Let me clarify, Number two, honorable with them about operational loss, cost, operational cost,
total expenditure.
Everybody got Gaya, Yenya 1.7 billion.
Auditor General report Zam and IMF, they have a 1.7. IMF report Zam. Auditor General report Zam. Auditor General mistake 1.7 billion. Now let's speak to the Auditor General. Auditor General's report. Yeah, me now. Auditor General the 109.4 billion. Maybe $1.7 billion. This is the Auditor General's report. CDGH. I email a dollar from the CDs. That way, them a 1.7 billion. And you have 1.7 billion. No. These are Auditor General's report. I mean, 1.7 billion. Auditor General report. Yeah, the screen. 1.7 billion. Yeah, don't now, Melebedi. Yeah, ready. The Auditor General. The report. That Daniel 1.7 day. IMF toy. Yeah, when you report that Bank of Ghana pay environment because of go play programs where you sitting in the back of. I will never people man go there. I will never that. $1.7 billion. Bank of Ghana IMF cover your body. As the cost of those two programs. Auditor General report. IMF report. Ni biamalo nyebe ni ke kuhia gan ve nyebe de amashia mama ho report ya de record dem ogbogblombe de le gold for paja epo profit ka ni ke wo na Bank of Ghana wo wom nia ena be yozega 1.7 billion yi kenye 22 billion yewoza africa profit ya. But I go say me never yet domega you ma choose the other shaba for Ewenyigba TV manager you na be profit 10,000 cedis you be unten is 500,000 I feel like gavia pome ye gama na zade ya jejem la pami ma jejem la paya ye nyamani ye vu manye gadola ye na no bomba audited financial to audit kapumedi ye vu nya gadola bomba hey a guy la fear Ewenyigba gadola gadola now we the IMF report we accept now Auditor General report because the same Auditor General report in that national service scheme but they all have ghost names where our report the same Auditor General report Auditor General. This is not Auditor General report. I'm a journalist. Many Auditor General report in here because private firms, Ernst & Young, KPMG, Pricewaterhouse, what we audit now government institution how can no voir after Auditor General Baganareme. Tamima do fumado. So please take note of that. So the audited financial statement by who of Gold Board by who? Gold Board by the private. So have internal auditor, afi external auditor, afi Auditor General that day. Do everyone rely on this report? Auditor General ya audit la check la. Auditor General ya audit check. If you the IMF General Betty. Auditor General, audit Gold Board, present the report. The IMF General. I went as a journalist. If you make a story, only Auditor General report. If you have a treaty as many as you will ever. Is that what you mean? Is that what you mean? So that is it. I don't. That is it. That's not the problem. If you like, don't read my story. Auditor General, every report today, every total expenditure Gold Board war is 109.4 million Ghana cedis. Total revenue 5.55 billion Ghana cedis. Yeah, Gold Board okay. Look at and we have VAT. Look at and we have job. In the first year, yeah, on record law and we have total expenditure. Only about the yes. From Emma Joa, you make efforts whether they will reduce total expenditure. The expenditure Makabado 109.4 million Ghana cedis. tanuka yo fifia ke over your process plans where called that and hey let you low ya una na na minya be de expenditure ke over your word hey your word enye go board fair you have you over the period and numala and na be you build your reserve because no me say me fifia ke go board bela you do ne okunu no go dey play and gold ma play la only play from small miners way and mine am already because the mine am already let play at a very good rate. Let's say the mine am already let play at very good rate. Let's say Bank of Ghana pay rate like $11 to let's say to the $11 or 11 cedis to $1. In the Bank of Ghana top rate 11 Ghana cedis for $1. Now smugglers ma go the jira the market ya the jira 12 Ghana cedis to $1 then they apply they will check our 12 because at the end of the day nya be akpoga ya gold ball gbogbo no ya fe you was stop enu ma be yo enu ma gold ma fe no yo gbogbo and make sure that you play at the same rate na bele smugglers amema o le o to jira no ya je bele yo da markup with energy kemi be address you da markup ma de ne yo da bi de jide kemi yo le smugglers ma o ma to ka no e ma jira ne Indians we bele yebo kemi ano yo gbogbo at least amesi amene la sijira na le nu jira pito a e ga be competitor ele jira le in a way o che wa be adidi ba si video lo be ni akwa me ma lo ni anuke ka scenario e mata go ko no na me ma lo 12 day e be you are at any video directly ta go bo che o add do video directly plus 50 or something 50 ke mi go jira de ta fi ke he Bank of Ghana ya hele corner we $11 day go for the abale play 11.5 LMSA ya abale play 11.5 from smugglers way ever no one play 11.5 day ya go ba go Bank of Ghana day Bank of Ghana 11 ko na we ta e ko 0.5 ke ni a HG ta 0.5 ke mi day ya che ele part accumulate to the expenditure he blow le now ni akoda ba okay o we si be de chejo and na be de smugglers ma we de o make ale jira ne miners or do make ale jira ne go smugglers we fu ma we DS ma o no fifia ke de go board e ba le fleson because o ko be rate na I can no fit you know do requirement cocoa farmers o no gbogbo o government make darejo la you for better market sell Cote d'Ivoire because you over see legit that you are no ko ifima fifia ke government check di bo ke ne be ni anye the soul look again no player if the government charge you darejo vide that na government darejo vide pa ko be FB cost mala yeah about the government or one it's the same thing here that go board le susu amesi abehe even le susu de be a chasinia see be wa ko akọ from small be those illicit allow me ma le ko to mo ma illegal means ma wa le jara ya nata eleme ya nata the cost oyisibe tabi fe ke go board to have
that cost a year 1.7 billion a year
expenditure
double a year
Maybe 109.4 million Ghana.
That 1.7 billion Ghana for your
maybe audited general report.
Anything
1.7 billion.
Obo Amarachashi, you be poor today. Ye, a quarter majolo, or Pejibanya Tabako Vide, Yamamanya, which you are Garafi. Oga Gabo Leo Gazan, the Bank of Ghana, that dog we am a Galene, ye never cook it. Never cook it.
Yes, maybe auditor general pay report. Yes, yeah, okay. Mr. Egaya, you have expenditure over the period. Fine, go for okay. You the effort to when you reduce expenditure. At the end of the day, go for more loss or profit.
Many topical.
Maybe the auditor general report, but the remember 1.7 billion. Auditor general report 109.4 million. At the end of the day, go for federal already. Help economy. And the better than because at the point without Bobo, and I'm going for reserve. and I go for oil dey. Oh no loss one. And I go for reserve and I go for oil. Me was loss of about 4.57 billion Ghana cedis. Well, happen to market. I don't brother no le am yet one. O me don't brother no le CEO of PMC. Oh no in charge of go for oil, go for reserve.
Okay, brother. Obienya journalist Obienya Devi Swe. You can mauyira. Hello, I'm talking. You be the madam ogele gboro I'm mabu boy I don't get cancer from Barakas. This is life. Okay. This if you need Lantebata, me the whole day. Need Lantebata boy. Back of Brombe. Hold on. You talk. I would never judge you. I always allow you to talk. If you need Lantebata boy, Batajamba Yasu, chairman. Yeah, MPP, the Ghana go to bed. Yar, Sami Jeffy, you put boy on your man, you know the matter. Nedo nyami Kenya aba communicatory yemu mpuga mo ta ede kukuleta yekole platform soji DC platform say over I'm fit with chairman. Hold on, let's look at comments. We are going to comment first before we come to holiday because of time. Mejibina respond to comments. We are going to Mary to Adenta. Please keep the good work, Brother Tony. That's the first comment we have from Mary. We appreciate you for that. No, if you are married, message the Kagaba to MVP platform. So only for the kind this man is not fit to be our chairman. Ni Lante Vanta boy is not fit to be our chairman. Why? He apologized to Sami Jemfi for apologizing. He apologized to Sami Jemfi and NBC for apologizing to Ghanaians on behalf of Sami Jemfi. But Sami Jemfi pung basa basa. You are haba. You brother. Ni ole nyajojo kakalome. You more ufungi be Sami Jemfi brother comment. Dashi le ho widenchi. Dashi le Ewenyigba TV. Na papa mele situa. Na papa mele joy oha. What are you talking about? And this thing is televised. Eko comment out he is not fit to be a chairman just because he's correcting a small boy or a young boy who has been put in a high office. You are coming to respond to that. Honorable. Me ji efokuma do message raben dina me efokuma here. If he became chairman from prison, then what are we teaching our children? Over maybe a question about no vazu chairman from prison. Okay, so I'm a person who can capture me and view her. Next question, message to Fudome. Tony, we are watching live from Fudome. Want to be chairman from prison? Ghana politics is funny. Thank you for your message. Nyaba John Bola Plau. Good morning, Tony. You are the best host on Ewenyigba TV. John from Aplau is watching. I am not because you don't know who is the next host coming. So that is that. I'm not the answer. All right, Honorable, what's wrong? Yeah, so a quick one. Answer. No, so let's go to home with the answer to in that direction. Answer in the direction. Leave and Lante Boglombe. I'm a national communication officer. Many people. Let me again young MPP, NBC, like Garakata, many people. Let us know who about the Suku de la Balangala and young people, the Monfunama. Alabano Punde. Oh, Pune, a Drakatame, a town, Bono, Jimana Mobo, your new to Jojon. Kana Punama, your Milkata, lay over Jim, your who, in Dodua, Edrio, speak to that. Yes, aspect. Oh, Brother, you see, at the Fuvia, Dakadi. Some of these issues, Melesho, Benege, and Nilante, Enya Bedi, yeah, small boy, Yanai. At the Venezuela, Apple, Bell, and Yaki, Bro, Megdanian, maybe I never not. I will be a general push, push, you may, but I'm not push the Akama TV Joe. Mark TV Joe. Push well, limitly, no matter the push day, Yadon lady, or Menyawa, let the whole one care on life, Yara. Tanana Bless, I mean, people phone. No, how, you never come along. Get that clarity. That can make way. No, and you're like in Yamakoya, and the banana come and blend a war. Oh, yeah, no one. Then you must accept the allow I expect because the banana come and blend. Oh, hello, no. I have a reservation. You see, because make it a fine.
Akole Ghana
ya drum le be
ko Ghana web tobe
ya drum le be
wena ko Ghana web tobe ba ho we dey to emava ni van ho we dey on the screen ni lante apologizes to Sami Jemfi. Please, it's very important that this man says this. Edwin Nilante van der Boye has issued a public apology to Sami Jemfi following remarks made earlier this week. Okay? And he apologized to him and the NDC fraternity because when he apologized for the wrong comments, quote and unquote, that Sami Jemfi did, the NDC people said he was not qualified to become chairman. Ghana Web, we won't make moral lessons from the brother Sami Jemfi. Screenshot Nakoro MCR. Screenshot and sent to you. We won't take moral lessons. So in a matter of 2 or 3 witnesses, according to the scripture, a matter is confirmed, and that is also in our common law. So send that one. Let them see this brother coming.
Because at the end of the day, me point to go board on the economy. It's because at times, which on the program on dollar exchange rate or never no check people by rate equity on any hand. After they have business directly, can we ask a meeting below? And I'm all out for it. Let me one way I incur this cost. I know it was a guy. Here I am a profit. They were stabilized the dollar. They are stabilized the economy. The businesses were not able to predict. And about dollar like this, I predict. No, then why should I be because in this country, rate of Ikaka is $17. A dollar they have one look at your rate and other over too much. So for me, make for benefit of go board. And a business community, businessmen they said the stability is okay. Interest is because of go board. That is why even business they are for loan usually interest rate to make at 40%, 50% per annum. Some are now 10%, some are now 7%. It's because of some of the activities of go board. So the go board they have impact on the economy. They get to this level. They can be bro. When you collapse it, because that I
all right, we have on our screen. Hold on. We have on our screen. Ghana Web. We won't take moral lessons from the brother. Sami Jemfi fires back at Apenyumaki. This is Ghana Web. This is Ghana Web. Now, American story. I don't know. I'm a blogger so domi. I feel me and not Jim live. I feel story. I get what I'm saying. So. I will fear about your communicator. I many Jim. Me don't know if you speak to it and wrap up in 1 minute. Wrap up in 1 minute. 1 minute, yeah.
You make a cover dollar rate fly if you and loans or business or fly if you rate as then now your campaign message you have made effort better institution to help back the economy. Let me let this kind of stability for your one. Then you might have
but Ministry of Finance, Bank of Ghana, one way economy around in classical economics, but fiscal policy is handled by Ministry of Finance and monetary policy.
Go board. Look at go board. What go board is doing?
5.4 billion. Let's go more to the
go board that help improve the national reserve.
5.4 billion.
Go board that another the go smuggling. Another the go smuggling. Make a decision.
Stop that noise. 5.4 billion. Let's do more.
And there's some administration. And the administration don't the economy already. And the administration got it. Mr. McAllister in a video. They never ascension Fanny don't the court. McAllister video. Mr. They know that black markets they all the near Ghana code call export call them buy. Let me put McAllister video man. And the MPP administration. I know my own GM. If they go for Bami block, no matter to make a laptop. And at the point, only some of them to Dr. Baumia and that the NDC government, Ganga. Yeah, that means that I come and them.
My bed bow, you tell me I see bow, I'm a Yamenyo.
That government all have gone for reserve, all have gone for oil. That can lost energy. I think you want to majority leader then. Majority leader, I'm not going to PMMC, go for oil, go for reserve in the lost water. Never investigate to make out 2 blow.
Oh,
the good thing the good thing and them they no go for oil, go for reserve. That can not galloping. And them they no go for oil, go for reserve. That can price of goods and services today. When I go another and then at a point maybe I pay.
So come today, so 1 minute about you. We didn't pay for that. 1 minute about you. Because of the
mismanagement of the economy, and that them where our president or US visa secretary, the visa fee was around 4,000 cities because of the rate. Because maybe the economy manager is not 2,000 Ghana cities. Honorable. That every other day there's something happening. Understand people.
Hold on.
And some people go for go for your house, go for everything. Maybe I press 5 or open down on my cost 1,200 Ghana cedis. And I go board, and
I go board. And I go board.
For example, I go for reserve. Over your never go, so then you manage the exchange rate. A price of this is a simple now I go for check payment. They are trying to help him, then you stabilize the exchange rate with all this. The price might all drop by 50%.
Elective mi pera mi o pam.
I'm a yes, you are one of blow. So we are
mi dere ho ide nya jojo won won ko de ka ikele ho fifi la iko te ngwa ngo nya jojo gbesi agbele ho ne ka gadi o bo mo pe mi Ghana we nya bu ko gbomo le no problem o si jage mi. Good morning comments. Good morning. John from Dome says Sami Jemfi must apologize for that brother statement. Doma fialo honorable Jesho he Doma yo. Esinam, but morning, Esinam live from Takla. Sami is too young to be insulting like that. Takla. Never word the Kalavma. Comments. Make a photo, man. But you didn't write your name this time, but it's okay. Email you. Indina Mitoni McBoy, that guest is just defending Sami blindly. So please, your final comment in 30 seconds.
How you defending Sami?
You don't pick on the commenter. Oh, this is the ethic of the job. You don't take a swipe on the commenter. But that devil woman. Take a swipe at you. So leave the commenter.
So that is fine. So the good thing, I'm not defending Sami in a way. But I'm going to go on a go body. Then I move a motor body. To me, I'm here, I'm call you already. Even though when you make a door now, help economy help. Yeah, I call that Samia Walelo. No, Samia, Ekpefuro, and the MPP.
Oh, I will mean a hit
and the MPP Sami Jetu at PSP FM.
You can have to slap it. One more.
Slappy, a piece of them.
My bank have to put too many.
No brothers are Nana P. They apologize to Sami Jetu.
Wait, man.
They will come in a piece of them. Oh, come in a piece of them. They are very proper. The Kukuria.
I like him in all my 8 down or don't for me.
So the go for the other door. After you put on a young you know one at the end of the day, man of the government. Yeah, as go for the donor. Go for the economy. Elena help a little bit. We are okay. At the end of the day, economy is stabilizing.
Honorable, it was a heated program. It was a heated program. Are you okay for us to run off the program now?
Oh yes, sure.
Okay, last comment. Echo Maregbo is still on this knee lante. Even knee is likely to switch position as we in closer to national contest. Knee is likely to switch position as we are in close to national chairman general to retain his position. That over I said don't catch an of man because barrier never point of average here. Never of one I miss it all. Every dog way. Now our view of Nya Pakin at your point here. Program at first, no, even our amiable. Daddy, honorable, Medapano. I am looking at my play. Aggressive person, I know your honorable. Elikem chomo ni madana kwa fili kado cha ama kwenye penkanka yo no mama anola yo bro odo rada hama ni bate na alright ukikama no nyoro bye
no silence ever English dictionary ya tepe but si dictionary akara azo afi di pasi ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view can the basic level and you know American SHS and you know American university allo language nanya make manya be view e be a strong be kra no silence ever English dictionary and you know I'm a make nanya be view mo jura po and be a strong be no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama nala dile ko so mad na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can follow screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa cover no akpe no silence ever English dictionary and you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you can to Boye. I can't do my traditory. When you want to kill.
Oh,
you must have fun. You must have done my tomb. I'm not go.
Daddy, no, dear, Brahma, if I can't lay a party to point for Boye. But the husband did not fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Banny who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yapokatara.
Well, not Chico.
Vai, but I cannot sugo. It a big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busiero, wait off here.
Where you vola talk bo. ye me nɔ tsika kɔ mekpɔm dzedze.
Vola tsika nono ƒle ne zama fiva naneke mefu ɖe gena o mesiame ne zi.
Míaƒe dodɔwɔwɔ le dzodoƒi ta ita nye zã vola tsika. Mía dometɔ aɖewo hã woze vola tsika ƒuƒuwo dzizi le eme.
This Vola pikin. Vola baby.
Mawu na yi ɖe vola tɔwo ɔnawo la mesẽ.
Vola ƒe atsikewo le atikedzraƒewo katã alo ge ɖe woƒe dɔyɔƒea me le aƒlawu wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa akpɔwo le old fashion le aƒoe ke le xɔaƒoea ge ɖe wo dzi le agɔdome Yellow House Street wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memliɖagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12 ƒoka na vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola ne miayi vola eva senta afima mia poto yo le nyadeba vola
efi valao aklori le fude na alele le fude na domedu le fude na etsi teƒe ɖeka woƒu tome katã mele dɔ wɔm nyuie ɖe wa eti ma gblɔ na wo be na yi le vola heba center yi ke ne dze ŋgɔ aplawo Victoria Park afi me nakpɔ dɔyɔ wotu kame woakpɔ ƒuto woƒu kawo me eƒu kame tutu dɔwo katã vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debe neba nakpɔ dɔyɔ.